Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your speaker HISENSE Party Rocker One. So you need to firstly turn off your speaker, and at the top, right here at the right bottom, we have power button. So just press and hold this power button, and we just turn off it. Now it disconnects from the phone, and we can check it at the device list that there is no connection. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices. Then we need to turn on the speaker. So at the top, at the right bottom, press and hold again at the power button. We just turn on it, and then the speaker should reconnect to your phone automatically. And with this method, you can fix a lot of small problem with your speaker, and as you can see, it reconnected. But sometimes it happened with devices that you don't want to reconnect automatically. Then you just tap at your device at the device list. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!